Hello guys, I am back with my new video. So basically today is day 7 and we are recovering our last part basically. And in my previous video I already done some things, so we can talk about that. So basically I want to know that how was your day. I hope you are all doing good and you are studying very hard. Basically if you are if you are doing Python, I hope you are in semester first, or basically you are completing your 12th. I hope so. So, how was my previous video? I hope you like it, guys. I am surely. If you want to appreciate me, then just subscribe and share and like my channel. So now we are moving to our topic. Basically, we are done with some parts. Basically, let's open the PDF first. We done up to encapsulation. I hope. Argument and keywords. No, I could not cover all this part. Basically, what is this? Advanced stuff. No, this is advanced stuff. Mm, Dunder methods. We complete up to abstraction. To now, what is Dunder method? First, first we talk some previous things. So just a recap, minor recap. What is abstraction? Abstraction does not exist in Python. I already told you about, but we can achieve using the library. This is the syntax of abstraction. From ABC, import ABC, abstraction method, class animal ABC, def, make, sound, self, pass. I already told you about these all the things in my the previous video. It's just a recap, just a small recap for you guys, so you can remember the thing. Basically, abstraction class are the classes that contain one more abstract method, a method that is defined but not implemented in the abstract class. I already told you about all the things. Basically, I don't think you have problem in these such things. Basically, so now I am moving to our next part. What is Dunder method? So understand the meaning of Dunder method. Let's let's check what meaning does the ChatGPT give us. What is Dunder method? Yeah, just wait a second, guys. Dunder method in Python means double underscore method. Just the simple meaning double underscore method. So see, Dunder method are specific method in Python. Let's start and end with a double underscore. I already told you about what is Dunder. So see, we are using initialization in it. So underscore, two underscore in front of, two underscore in back, two underscore. There are also strings. So I'm talking about what is Dunder method. So I already told you, we are using two underscores first in the front of in it, and then last of in it. So they automatically get called. Basically, because if we are doing, or if we are putting underscore in front of the any word, that it can automatically access or called the performance certain action of an object. Basically, it automatically calls the function and perform the operation. Basically, because it is meaning does it means? Does it mean correctly? What is your opinion? I want to know. Just give me some opinions, so it will better in my future. I can do better teaching in my future. So basically, with the help of your advice, guys, I know. So let's move to the another topic, another point. They help you customize behavior of your class. Basically, you can uh, customize the behavior of the class. Basically, make sure your class object behave like built-in data type. I already told you about what is built-in data type. If anything that present in the Python from you cannot change anything in the Python that is known as built-in data type. Basically, int, float, this is a built-in data type. Integer, list. I already told you about these things. If you have any problem in these such topic, just go and check my previous video. It will be very helpful for you guys. I make sure that you will like it. If you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section. If you know any problem, make sure I will give you I will give you a reply, guys. So I hope you are doing these little things for me, basically. Now we are moving to our next point. Make your I already told you about behave like built-in data type structure. What is built-in data type? Already told you about. Now this is a syntax. I told you every time. Just wrote down some the simplest the simplest syntax. Basically, it can be helpful for your future. So just wrote down class person def initialization self name, self dot name is equals to name, p is equals to person Ravi, or print p dot name. Basically, I hope you are you are noting down these things. This is very helpful for your future, basically. Now these are the various Dunder methods. In Dunder method there are various types of Dunder method. So let me know the one by one, basically. Go to the chat GPT and ask, give some. See here. A Dunder method in Python means a double underscore. I already told you about. Basically, this is the syntax. See, class dot py person def initialization p. This is the syntax. Basically, see, these are the simple methods. These are the simple methods of the use for certain operation. Basically, here initialization is called automatically when you create person Rahul. See, run. We are running this. Run started initialization environment. Then you can run completed in 2300 milliseconds. See. Now ChatGPT is also advanced, basically. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Just see another example. Class person def star self return I am a person, p is equals to person print. See, if we run this, what will the answer? I am a person. I hope you are understanding what and why we are using these codes, basically. If you have any problem, just let me know, please, guys. If you have any problem, I make sure that in your future that problem will not come in your future, basically. So we are talking about some methods. See, here are some Dunder methods in Python. See, Dunder method purpose or initializing an object, basically. I already told you about how we can initialize an object to a person. For example, see, here is the best example. Person is a variable and we are initializing a thing, Aman. Basically, Aman is under a string. I hope you all guys know this thing. I already told you out in my previous video. I zoomed this thing so you can see it properly. See, person Aman. See, star giving a readable string. See, print object with the used one. Object, basically string is an object. I hope you all know. Reaper giving a developed oriented representation. reaper object, length, defining length dot object, add, define, object plus object 2, subtract. Basically in addition, you all know that in addition we are adding simply two things. Basically if we are adding two things, that is known as addition, so if we are adding anything in a code, how we can add anything. For example, take a variable, just a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 5. So we are adding, just we are writing print a plus b. So what will be the answer? Answer is 7, because we are just normal adding the thing. In the same way, add, define, object 1 plus object 2. Basically subject I already told you about, plus, minus, multiply. I got the define, equality, defines. I already told you all these things. I hope you all know, so I'll not repeat it again. Basically we are moving to this part. Class student, def, initialization, self name, self dot name is equals to name, define length, self, return length, self dot name. Group is equals to student, Aman, Rahul, Priya, print length group. See, if we run this code, what will the answer? Guess first. You can guess the output, then I will print it. Just understand this code, because I already told you about dry run. If you don't know, just dry run this code. I will do a dry run for you guys, then you will understand easily. Let us read down this code first. Sorry, write down this code first, then you can understand easily. First, say it. Sorry, no, write down. See what the question is saying. Class student, we are making a class basically. So we are making a class. Now we can initialize it. We are making a function basically. So now we are defining a function, self dot name, then self dot name is equals to name. Now we are defining the length self, return length, self dot name, Rahul, name Aman, Rahul, Priya, group is equals to student, print length dot group. What is the length? Let's see. 3. Basically it can count the length of 1. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Basically now if we are counting the indexes, this is not possible, because these are commas. Every comma is 0 index. 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. Basically there are 2 indexes and 3 elements. Basically I hope you all know. See, now we are moving to our next topic. So now going to this topic. Advanced stuff. Basically we can cover some things, then we are moving to our advanced stuff. So I got what are the parts that I not covered in this video, in our previous video. So basically we are covered all the things in this part. Just give me some second, I will check and tell you what we are not covered. Basically we are not doing so many questions of the the addition, subtraction, not doing so much questions, just 2 to 3 questions basically. So today we are doing some of the good questions of our previous topics. I hope you all guys are doing with your own. So don't do chat GPT, Google AI, that is not beneficial for you guys. I hope you all know. So now we are moving to our this part. We are opening the Python compiler. Python compiler is the best compiler. So let's see it. We are opening. So now I find some questions for you, some good questions. So basically we are covering. Open the Python. First we go to the topic, then we are taking let's see, we are doing some questions of do while. So I not covered this. So we are taking some question directly through chat GPT. What with the answer of chat GPT? Let's see. just a simple question, so you can do it with your own. Then I will give you properly my question. So we are doing this. Do this all 8 question by your own. I will give you 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Then I will do all these 5 question with the from myself. Then I will do all this question for you. So I will give you 5 minutes. I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Just do it by your own. Sorry guys if you disturb. I hope you all are doing. So do it faster. Sorry guys, my previous video was deleted, so I'm continuing this video. So basically where we are, we are at the advanced stuff. So I hope you are all doing good and doing a great work. Check, and I already uploaded my recent video, so go and check this video. Just wait a second, then I will continue with advanced stuff. Hmm. So Basically what was the mistake when I was making a video. Then I connect my earphone with the laptop. So that's why when the earphone was disconnected, the audio was also disconnected. That's why the video was stopped and deleted basically. So now I'm recording the whole video in starting. So that's why basically now we already covered some of the part in previous video. I done some of the things. I hope you already know. If you, because I already know what we have done some previous topics and we have done some of the questions basically. I Some good questions of Python I already finished. Now we are moving to our advanced stuff basically. The advanced, what are the advanced stuff, what are the decorators. Basically, what you understand with the mean decorator, the what word decorator means basically. When you can decorate anything, that is the meaning of decorator. In now Python, it is also mean as decorator. For example, you are creating a Python program, just creating a Python program. If you get the code not look like great, I should see you, then you can understand easily. Let's take an example. See, this is the code. If this code not look like this is not good. See, proper lining, proper indentation, proper spacing. See, proper, that's why the code looking good. If I'm not doing these things, the code not looking good. So that's why we can use decorator. For example, you are you are making a code with 2000 lines. Then you can decorate by yourself is very very क्या बोलेंगे यार, very क्या बोलते हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं इसको, ढूंढना पड़ेगा. When you are decorating the whole line of code, for example, a code containing 2000 lines, how can you can decorate the whole 2000 line code? So this is not done by an human. So we can use with the help of a code that is known as decorator. So decorator are doing the same thing. See, a decorator is just a function that modifies another function without changing its actual code. Imagine you have a cake. Your function, a decorator, is like putting icing on the cake. It doesn't change the cake itself, but make it better, continue, or add some new flavor. For creating a decorator, you must have to create a decorator function, and then inside that will be create a wrapper. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Basically, it means in a cake you are doing some icing to make a cake beautiful. So that's why a simple thing. Hmm. So note down the syntax. This syntax is very important. Now then we are moving to our next. I hope you are all done. Now we are moving to our next part. For making a decorator, the argument it is tough. For we will move toward for next advanced stuff argument keywords basically. Argument and keyword. There are some special keyword in Python used in function definition to accept a flexible number of arguments basically. Now you always don't have to use arguments and keywords. The main thing is star and double star, so you can use any names in front of them. The argument must be multiplied positional argument. I hope you all are or you all know about argument and keyword argument. Just note down the syntax. The syntax is very important. I am doing some of the questions for you. Basically, I am on my Python compiler. You have to done it by yourself. See, this is single. Hey. There are some problem, guys. Wait a second. So first we have to open the Bluetooth device. See, from ITER tools, import combination, class combination generator, def initialization, self string dot list, self string list, def generate combination. See this. What is the problem in this? Understand first, then give me answer. See, I have some question for you. I give you. This is a good question of Python. See, can find the solution. I hope first understand the question, then I give you 5 minutes only, then I can do this question for myself. So now I can do this question for myself. So we are moving to our solution. Basically, this is the solution. First write down the solution, then I will provide you the write down this code. I give you 2 minutes. I hope you are writing this code. Then uh, I told you what the code means. Nums is equals to, basically this is a number, 4 2 4 3, this is a number. Frequency for x in nums, for x in frequency. I hope you all know this code. Let's move on to the another question. Just do whatever I say. Just done some of the questions. See, see the question and do the answer. just doing a new Python compiler. Basically, that is good for you and also mine. So let's open Replit first. Sorry guys, so we are opening Python compiler right now. So just do some question. I give you already a question, so wait a second. I give you third question. Third question. Wait a second guys. See, this is the question. in this question you have to use, you cannot use for while and do this question. You've done this question, I'm coming in 2 minutes. हेलो, हाँ भैया 8018 है, 8018 हाँ. Hello guys, I'm back. Sorry. So today this is the end of the video. This is the last topic. So we are moving to I'm coming with our new video with our new the Joes. So bye bye guys. Hope you are enjoying my video. Keep like, share, subscribe and follow. Bye bye.